Emposa. Can you betale made ribs?
Nein.
Okay. Ja, haircut. Ja. Drivafy. Hi guys, this is your mobility enthusiast Dave Dio, and like I say always, it is my responsibility to bring mobility innovations from every corner of this fast-changing world closer to you. It's the second month of the new year. What have you been up to? Well, I've been running around trying to put some good content together for you guys. Let me know what you've been doing so far this year in the comment section. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for supporting my channel grow. I see it growing every day. I appreciate you guys liking, subscribing. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button. Today I'm going to talk about the e-scooters once again. Yeah, last year I did a content, or I made a content on that, but I didn't go into details. But today I'm going to let you know some of the extraordinary features that these e-scooter services have. And also, you let me know if you have something like this in your country or wherever you are watching this video from. So what I decided to do today was to hop on one of these e-scooters to go get some groceries from a nearby supermarket, which is around like 2 kilometers away and back.
So before you can use the e-scooter, you have to download the app and access it. That is what I have done. What you see now is my current location, and all the green things you see around are the scooters that are in my territory. So I am going to choose one and check the status of the e-scooter. The app is smart enough, so it's able to tell you the range it can cover, and also when it was last inspected in the battery level. So I'm going to check the next one in my territory to see its status. So as you can see, that is the status, the battery level, and the range it can cover. And the last time was also inspected, just for your safety. Now what I'll do is I'll just choose the one that is closer to me, so that I can travel on it. So that is the status at the moment. So I'm going to choose this one. And before I can go ahead, I have to pay. So I am going for the daily pass. We have daily, monthly, and even weekly. So I'm just going for the daily pass, which is 59 Norwegian krona. 59 Norwegian krona is basically like maybe $5. Yeah, so I will pay with my card. That is what I'm doing. And then now I have access to the e-scooter. It tells me the number of minutes it can cover. I follow the directions on the app and it has taken me to the closest scooter. What I have to do now, since now I have been able to buy the pass, what I have to do now is to just scan. Yes, there is a QR code on it that I have to use my phone or the app to scan it to activate the scooter. So that is what I'm going to do now. Yeah, so I have to open the app and then scan the QR code. So that is what I am basically doing now. Yes, I think it is fine now, and then I will be able to use the scooter now. So like you saw, this is a daily pass, so after 24 hours I wouldn't be able to use it. Off I go.
Ja, M-Posa. Kan jij betalen met Wipps?
Nee.
Oké, jij hebt kort, ja. Ja. Tusen takk. Du også? Guys, thank you for watching this video, and then hit the notification button if you haven't done that already. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that this channel will grow and I'll be able to bring more of this content to you. Ciao.